Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, Tuesday, 3rd of October. Well, today is not a good day to basically buy any dip because we got jobs opening that are showing that the market is really strong in terms of labor. Labor market remains really tight. From the 8.92 million, we were expecting a little bit lower. And look at this, 9.61 million openings, meaning that more opening, more offer for people to really choose a better salary, a better job. And this will push wage and salaries higher because the people can demand higher salaries, and this will put pressure on inflation upwards because basically wage pressure will continue to push inflation higher, more money into people's account and more money into the economy. So this is really not expected, and as we are going to see really right now, we are experiencing, look at this, the trend is basically over. We were in this channel trying to at least reclaim yesterday's pivot on the 30-minute chart. And as you can see, I have marked this pivot, and I was also watching this pivot at support. In the pre-market, we tried to squeeze higher towards this pivot. We couldn't do that. And on the daily, we are basically on the range that I was watching. This range, this blue line, and this also blue line, that was demand. We are in the middle of that. Also quite a little bit of problem on this blue dot line that is last week high. So in terms of the 30-minute chart, I was watching exactly that. And look at this, we rejected the daily level. We rejected this pivot, and we didn't even bounce off this clear pivot on the 30-minute chart. So where are we bouncing? Well, do you remember this move, this squeeze? We are bouncing at this level pretty heavily. I think a lot of people is trying to buy the 14,730 dip, but I mean, let's go to the lower time frames. This is not a day in which you want to really push your luck. Clear levels as this is pre-market low, rejected, going lower, and slowly drifting lower until the support was found on the 30-minute chart. We are now trying to a bit finding some buyers, but this is short covering for sure. Everything is red in this market. Financials are in the red, sector funds are in the red, utility 0.04, but that doesn't count. Amazon -3%, Microsoft -2%, Apple -0.75, Google, Nvidia, Meta. I mean, this is a clear bearish day based on fundamentals and a lot of fear. Be careful also with the technicals because we are seeing a big push on the daily, big red candle today, -1.50 on the Nasdaq. And the dollar, it's not super green, but yesterday we got big push. Look at this push on the dollar. Dollar remains strong. The 2-year yield continues pushing higher, and the 10-year yield, it's, look at this. The 10-year yield is really ripping higher to levels not seen since basically this 2007, 4.76. And this difference, this discrepancy between the 2-year and the 10-year, is pushing the inverted yield curve higher and higher. And this is not good. This is not good. Going uninverted again on the inverted yield curve looks like might be good, but it's not good because that would mean that the short-term yield, it's being cut, is being lagging behind the long-term yield, going back to the normality, but that would mean that the economy is sick and something has broken. So be really careful, because not only small caps are holding, banks are also suffering. Look at these 3 days of the Russell 2000, Bitcoin, gold, copper, silver, everything is pulling back. But the crude oil after 3 days, again, bulls are pushing in this bottoming week. So crude oil, inflationary pressure again. So really hard market right now for bulls. Don't be naive. Don't be naive, and just be nimble, be disciplined. And if you are looking for longs, unless you are really looking to swing or buying long term, I don't think these are good levels. Not today. I think on the Nasdaq, there will be better opportunities. As you can see, this is the daily Nasdaq continuing chart. There will be better opportunities like right here in this daily. I mean, there's plenty of opportunities. You just have to be patient. This is almost a descending triangle into a clear level, and look at this potential to the downside. So fundamentals are pushing technology and the S&P 500 down. Just let it breathe and look for better opportunities. Today is a really red day, really moving lower. Look at this chart. And I think this is not a good day to try to find bottoms. So be disciplined, manage your risk, and look for better opportunities the rest of the week or even in the upcoming weeks. So that's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos every single day for market forecasts, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time as always. Remember that discipline and risk management are key for your success. Stay safe, everyone. Be careful, and see you tomorrow.